So here at New Delhi, you can eat a delicious, spicy and nice food here in Delhi. And I enjoyed this food very much. If you should come and enjoy the food here, this gentleman's they make. And you can see paper. And a lot of things they are preparing. And you see. So this is how he prepare the food. If you're in India, you should come and try the food. Never underestimate the street foods. It's so delicious. And I don't know. इसका नाम क्या बोल रहे हैं भैया? रायका. अच्छा ठीक है. So having a raika with this gentleman. भैया, हेलो बोलो यार. आपका नाम क्या भैया? अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा खाना बना रहा है आप. So place here with the white where you can see a lot of white